everyone, this is Jenny Kalo. I just got my AngelSense in the mail today, and I wanted to do an unboxing with you. This is how it came, in a nice padded bag. I'm gonna open it, and this is the case it came in, if you can see. Now I'm going to open it and show everything that came in it. So as you can see, it's a nice sturdy bag to keep everything in. The zipper ties have the name AngelSense on it, if you can see that. AngelSense. In the front of the bag it says AngelSense. Okay, the device that I got was the GPS 2. It comes with the instructions on how to start it. It comes with the charger and the cord. It comes with the thing to unlock all the keys that attach to your clothing. Came with 3 of them. Well, not 3 of those magnets. It came with 3 locking devices. This is what the top looks like, and then there's a pin in the middle. I'll show you how that all works in a minute. It came with the unit, and it's in a water resistant cover, and it tells me how to do everything. Step 1, plug charger in here. Step 2, press and hold until vibrates on and powers on. It says, do not remove this cover for any reason. And this is the thing that it goes into. I'm holding it the wrong way. When you're hooking it to clothes and everything, it goes straight in to this little pouch. And you can plug it in and charge it through the pouch too, which I'm probably not going to do the first time because it has to be in the window to capture the GPS and where it's located. So first I am going to use the plug and go plug it in. So here's this part of the plug. It's an LG. The phone is a Verizon LG phone. The unit is. Then I plug it in here. And then I'll plug it in there. I might get my other charger. Give me 1 sec. Since my watch is already done. And that's done. Okay. So let me move my phone charger. Sorry about that. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm actually not going to use this plug so that the cord is actually longer. I'm going to plug into my adapter cord.
Device is charging.
See, it just said device is charging. Now I hold. Which one is the power? I hold the power button. Okay, it just vibrated. So I let it go. This is what it looks like right now. It's updating. And that's what that looks like.
Device is charging.
Hold on. It turned off on me again. Okay, it vibrated. So now what I'm going to need to do is put it in my window, which is right there, so it can capture. So while I do that, okay, it's in the window, so it can capture a signal. Now,
Device is charging.
Now it says device is charging. Now I'll show you how to use the magnet. The magnet is very easy to use. Has a little magnet inside. As you can see, everything sticks to it. And then you take it and you see the big part. You put it in. You press. Let me see. And hold. And pull out. And this is what goes through your clothes. It doesn't hurt the clothes at all. Makes a little tiny hole. Not a big deal. So, when you go to put it in, you don't need it in the magnet. You just slide it back in, and voila. It doesn't come back out at all. So, what you do, it says magnetic key, firmly fit the dome side of the fastener into this key's hollow end. Plain and simple. You do that, and it should come right out. Okay, first, it's in there, right? I'm holding it firmly, and I'm taking the back out. So, that's how the AngelSense magnet works. And look, it even says AngelSense on it, and it has the AngelSense little flag on it. So you don't have to keep it in the bag, but I'm going to keep the fasteners in the bag so I don't lose them. I have a tendency of losing stuff. And I will show you tomorrow when I hook it up for the first time on me how it goes. Now, the inside of the case looks like this. You can put all your stuff right here, like the charger and everything. And I'll show you what I'm doing right now is I'm putting that right there. I'm putting these in there. The keys, the thing. I'm putting the key thing in right now. And I'm putting this thing in so I don't lose it. And I'm going to keep that little note. I'm going to keep the instructions because you never know when you're going to need them. And I feel much safer having this because sometimes I get upset and I just walk away. And my mom will be able to know where I am by just using this simple device. And it's lightweight. You don't even really feel it. And it gives me independence to go walk my aunt's dog. And I'm going to keep this because it has all the information about the phone on it. So that I know what that's all about. Well, that's it for this one. I will do a video tomorrow because that has to charge obviously overnight. Okay? Thank you. Bye.